India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. It is the second most popular country, the seventh largest country by land area, and most popular democracy in the world. Bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the southwest, and Bay of Bengal on the southeast, it shares land border with Pakistan to the west, China, Nepal, and Bhutan to the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. So today we are going to know some interesting facts on India. Before moving to the video, subscribe my channel to get latest unknown interesting facts. Point number 1. Shanishingnapur. Shanishingnapur is a village located in Maharashtra where the houses don't have doors and locks, on the belief of Lord Shani that he guards the town. Point number 2. Biggest family in the world. Mr. Ziona Chana from Batyong village of Mizoram is the head of world's biggest family consisting of 181 members. He has 39 wives, 94 children, 14 daughter-in-law and 33 grandchildren. Point number 3. Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible even from space. Point number 4. The highest cricket ground in the world. At an altitude of 2,444 meters, the Chail Cricket Ground in Chail, that is Himachal Pradesh, is the highest in the world. It was built in 1893 and is a part of Chail Military School. Point number 5. Shampooing is an Indian concept. Shampoo was invented in India, not the commercial liquid shampoos which we are using now, but the method by using herbs. The word shampoo itself has been derived from the Sanskrit word champu, which means to massage. Point number 6. Indian national kabaddi team has won all the World Cups. Both men and women kabaddi teams won all the Kabaddi World Cups which are held till now. Point number 7. The human calculator. Shakuntala Devi was given this title after she demonstrated the calculation of two 13-digit numbers which were picked at random. She answered correctly within 28 seconds. Point number 8. Diamonds were first mined in India. Initially, diamonds were only found in the alluvial deposits in Guntur and Krishna districts until diamonds were found in Brazil. During the 18th century, India led the world in diamond production. Point number 9. India is known as land of temples because most of the temples, mosques, churches, Buddhist temples and other religious temples are present in India. Point number 10. India is the largest number of vegetarians in the world. Because of religious reasons or personal choices or both, around 20 to 40% of Indians are vegetarians, making it the largest vegetarian-friendly country in the world. Point number 11. The first rocket in India was transported on a cycle. The first rocket was so light and small that it was transported on a bicycle to the Tumba launching station in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Point number 12. It is illegal to take Indian currency out of India. Point number 13. In West Bengal, cows must have a photo ID card. Point number 14. Vinod Dham invented Pentium chip. 90% of today's computers run on it. Point number 15. Sabir Bhatia created Hotmail. Hotmail is world's #1 web-based email program. Point number 16. Benny Prasad holds the world's record of fastest man to travel around the world. That is, 257 countries traveled in 6 years, 6 months and 22 days. Point number 17. After USA and China, India stands third place in the world for billionaires. Nearly 140 billionaires are present in India. Point number 18. The world's oldest university is located in India, that is Nalanda University. It was established in 5th century. Point number 19. 38% of doctors in USA are Indians. Point number 20. 12% of scientists in USA are Indians. Point number 21. 36% of NASA scientists are Indians. Point number 22. 34% of Microsoft employees are Indians. Point number 23. 28% of IBM employees are Indians. Point number 24. The famous board game called chess was invented in India. Point number 25. The Tata Group, State Bank of India and Infosys Technologies are among the top 50 in the list of world's 200 most reputed companies. Point number 26. Switzerland celebrates a day called National Science Day of Switzerland, that is on May 26th. It is because on 26th May 2006, our former president Sir late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam visited Switzerland. On his remembrance, people of Switzerland celebrates that day as National Science Day. Point number 27. India is second next to USA when it comes to speak English, with around 125 million people speaking the language, which is only 10% of our population. This is expected to grow in coming years. Point number 28. Floating post office. It is located in Dal Lake near Srinagar. The fact that India has the large number of post offices in the world is very well known. But did you know that there is a floating post office in India? The floating post office was inaugurated by former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, in August 2011. Since then, it has been attracting tourists from all over the country. The special feature of this post office is that letters that are posted here carry a special design with pictures of Dal Lake and other Srinagar attractions. If you know some other interesting points regarding India, let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to get the latest notification. And please do support us. Thanks for watching.